afternoon to everyone. Just want to bring this to our notice. You get onboarded to any course in Cisco just by clicking the link. You can see right here Introduction to IoT and Digital Transformation, then Exploring the Internet of Things with Cisco Packet Data or something like that. This is Introduction to Data Science, and this is also similar course with the first one I read, Introduction to IoT. That's because I clicked two different links that offers the same course. So that means I've been onboarded like twice in that particular course. And notice that they are both independent of each other. This one started February 13th, 2024 to March 1st, 2024. This one has been there. I think I did this one last year, July 12th, 2023 to January 13th, 2024. So each onboarding is kind of unique in Skills for All. It separates it and they give you or they give the credit to the different companies that linked you up to them. Okay, now this is also a Python Essentials I just onboarded into, even if I had already done Python Essentials before. Okay, like this is also Data Analytics Essentials. Now you can see I already have achieved several feats, and even in Python Essential I've achieved several feats. So in those days, or what I say in those days, normally um Cisco, not really Skills for All of Cisco shares keeps their certificate or handles their certificate and badges in a different platform from um, this particular one. It is handled by a different portal, which is credly.com. So what you need to do is you go to credly.com when you're done with your course, or you click on credly.com basically when you're done with your course. Okay, you click on credly.com. Then what you do next is you notice you don't have an account with credly.com, so you have to sign up with credly.com. But the important thing is you use the same email address that got onboarded into Cisco. As long as the email addresses are consistent, then you're good to go. So right now I'll come here and then select sign in. That's because I have signed up with them, so I can use sign in. Okay, so I'm now going to use the same email address as the one I use in signing in with Cisco with Skills for All basically. So since it's the same and it's my one email address, I'll just select continue as Williams basically. Continuing as Williams. Then it brings me to my unique page. All right. So congratulations on your most recent badge, which is this Python basically. So normally to get the certificate, you just click on this badge. Now we're supposed to click on share right here. When you click on share, it will tell you download as a certificate. But I'm looking right here, I'm not seeing download as a certificate. What I'm seeing is download badge image, which was also included when it gave the download as a certificate option. So maybe this time around they're not putting it in they're not making it look like a certificate as it was looking the first time we did this in cohort 2. Okay, but we can still at the same time, if you want to accredit um these details to any person, you want to let them know that you have completed your Python essentials with Cisco, you can just click on public link. Okay, then copy what you have here, copy the public link. Eventually we may not be asking you guys for certificates, especially those that are doing Skills for All, because it has now been resolved to badges. Normally when you click on the badge, it will tell you download to certificate, but it's not coming that way this time around. So I guess we are sharing it as a badge. So once you've copied your link, for example, you can paste it somewhere else. Let me show you something. Let's go somewhere else to paste it. Okay, and then once you paste it, it still has all the information. you require. So I'm pasting it here, and then internet access. Come on, what happened? It's supposed to load rightly. It didn't load right. You know how WhatsApp is now. Or did I post it twice? Look, I pasted it twice. Let me paste it once. Sorry, that was my error. Paste once. Good. So that's it. You can now send it to the group basically. So you have a statement like Python Essential 1 was issued by Cisco to Williams Chisholm. So this is what we're gonna be requiring of you guys. Okay, when your link should specify that it's you that is given to. The other one where we used to download it as a certificate, then didn't really work out the way it's not being done like this right now again. I guess they have upgraded the system or just thought it shouldn't be done that way. This is a better way for approval. All right. All right, so this is me giving you guys the information. Have a beautiful day. Be patient, okay? Just go through the course bit by bit, little by little. No need to rush. Okay, just go through it one at a time, one after the other. That's how it's done. Let me go back to skills for all and see how it is. All right, like I said, it is self-paced. So what you do is once you start reading, once you resume any course and start reading, you just take it one at a time, one at a time. Notice it reads, I'm 100% done with module 2. Module 1, module 2, I'm 86% done. Maybe I missed something, I did not read a particular thing. You have to scroll through it bit by bit. When it opens, it monitors you. You have to be online. So if it's offline, it wouldn't really count. And there are some things hidden in places where you're supposed to click. If you don't click, it still wouldn't count for you. Okay, this is just bringing everything to our notice so we don't miss anything. The network is pretty slow right here right now, but that's just what I wanted you all to know. Okay, so you take it bit by bit. This module 3, boolean values, conditional execution loop, and the rest of them. I'm trying to scroll. It's still hanging or it's still booting. It is well anyway, but that's just it. You just scroll through little and read. Take your time. All right. Thanks. Ah, it just loaded. Good. If there's any code you want to test, this computer here is something you can use to test out any code. You just click on it here and then it comes up on your screen. You can now write a code to confirm. When you're done, you close it, then continue. All right. So you read and read expected outputs. This one is even test question safe. And at some point like this, you could also sample solutions to know what is supposed to have been. Then you can run it to see. But the major thing is reading. You have to also click everywhere. Where everywhere clickable. There's some things that are hidden behind images. You have to click to reveal it and all that. Ensure you are reading. So that's that anyway. Once you continue smoothly, everything will be fine. Have a beautiful day, everyone.